You are going to love the 2019 RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid offers a spacious interior, an abundance of technology, and safety features galore. When pairing all of this with a dynamic exterior, it's not surprising that everyone is talking about this vehicle. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power liftgate, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, power sunroof, backup camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.